All right, shifting focus here, NCP's Nawab Malik has made some sensational allegations against the Narcotics Control Bureau. Nawab Malik alleges that NCB let off Rishabh Sachdev, Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala after being detained in the Mumbai cruise drug bust. Malik claims that Rishabh Sachdev is a brother-in-law of a BJP leader and was taken into NCB custody, but then was later let off because of its links with the BJP. Narcotics Bureau has now hit back at the NCP minister, calling his allegations as baseless and prejudiced. Here's more on the story.
Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's arrest in Mumbai cruise drug case has turned into a full-blown political war. Fresh twist in the case after Aryan Khan was sent to judicial custody. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has once again hit out at NCB, accusing it of violating protocol during the cruise raid. Malik tweeted a video alleging that the Panchnama was not done on the cruise but was done in NCB's Zonal Director Sameer Wankade's office. On Saturday, NCP's Nawab Malik leveled a sensational fresh charge at Narcotics Control Bureau, and central to those charges are three characters: Rishabh Sachdev, Pratik Gaba, Amir Furniturewala. Malik alleged that the BJP leader Mohit Bhartiya's brother-in-law Rishabh and two of his associates, Pratik and Amir, were let off after being detained on the same night that Aryan was nabbed. But the NCB dismissed all allegations of bias.
11 लोगों का डिटेंशन हुआ और फिर उसके बाद एकाएक खबरें आई कि 8 लोगों को ही डिटेन किया गया है। उसमें 3 लोगों को छोड़ा गया। वो 3 लोगों के नाम हैं ऋषभ सचदेवा, प्रतीक गाबा और तीसरा नाम है आमिर फर्नीचरवाला।
A total of 14 persons were brought to NCB office for examination. All of them were served notice under Section 67 of NDPS Act. 8 persons were arrested and remaining 6 persons were let off, since no incriminating evidence was found against them.
Nawab Malik has also released some pictures and videos. NCP minister alleged that Rishabh Sachdev, Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala were taken to the NCB office but were later let off. India Today exclusively accessed images of sanitary pads used to hide drugs on board the cruise ship and later seized by the Narcotics Control Bureau. The Narco Bureau also hit back at the Maharashtra minister.
एनसीबी बताए कि 3 लोगों को क्यों डिटेन किया, क्यों छोड़ा, उनके घर के लोग अंदर कैसे आए, किस नेता का फोन आया था, किसके बोलने पे छोड़ा गया, ये सारे सवालों का जवाब एनसीबी को देना पड़ेगा।
All the allegations leveled against the NCB are baseless, motivated, afterthought and prejudiced. Such statements are based on conjecture and assumptions. These assumptions are frivolous and malicious in the view of document and record produced, duly followed by NCB, that can be subject to legal verification. NCB reiterates that its procedure has been and will continue to be professionally and legally transparent and unbiased, and all the suspect and accused persons have been treated at par and in accordance with law.
Nawab Malik claimed Rishabh Sachdev is the brother-in-law of Bharatiya Janata Party leader Bhartiya, who is the former president of Mumbai BJP Yuva Morcha. Miffed with the allegations, Mohit Bhartiya has sent a legal notice to NCP minister Nawab Malik. Mohit says in the notice that he is not an office bearer of the BJP. Former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis slammed the NCP, claiming they were not revealing the entire truth.
NCB ने बहुत क्लियरली ये बताया है, जो लोग क्लीन थे उनको छोड़ दिया गया। इसका राजनीतिकरण करना ये अपने आप में बहुत गलत है। वैसे तो जिन लोगों को छोड़ा गया उसमें एनसीपी के भी एक बड़े नेता के बेटे से जुड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति, उसको भी छोड़ा है, लेकिन हम इसलिए उनका नाम नहीं लेते कि वो क्लीन थे।
Nawab Malik claims that Aryan Khan went to the party on the invitation by Gaba and Furniturewala. The NCP minister once again defended Aryan, saying that the raids were staged to implicate Shah Rukh Khan's son. As the probe widens, there are many unanswered questions. It's up to the NCB, that is the Narcotics Control Bureau now, to answer them through their investigation. Bureau Report, India Today.